Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with 6-way power driver seat adjuster, rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ride and handling suspension, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, keyless entry, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.